many songs do we have left? One. And. Oh, we got a radio interview. Oh, God, yeah. This is a song called You Need Me, but we put a little spin on it, so we hope you enjoy it. And thanks for having us again. You've been absolutely brilliant. You know I'm in town, break it down, thinking of making a new sound, playing a different show every night in front of a new crowd. That's you now. Child seems to laugh is great now. See me lose focus as I sing to you loud. And I can't know, I won't hush. Say the words that make you blush. Gonna sing this now. Oh, oh. See I'm real, I'll do what all it's told me. I'm not fake, don't ever call me JC. I won't stay put, give me the chance to be free. Suffocate seems to sort of suffocate me. Cause you need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. Man, I don't need you, so you need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you, so you need me. I said I write my own tune and I write my own verse. I don't need another word script to make my tune sell. Pull yourself a singer right to you, just bluffing. Names on the credits and you didn't write nothing. I sing fast, I know that all my shit's cool. I didn't laugh and I didn't go to Brit school. I came fast with the way I act right. Can't laugh if I'm smoking on a crack pipe. And I won't be the product of my genre. My mind will always be stronger than my songs are. Never believe the bullshit the fake guys speak to you. Always read the stories that you hear on Wikipedia. Physically I'm demonstrating what I perform live is like I am levitating. Times at the enterprise when some fella film me. A young singer writer like a Gabriella chill me. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. So you need me, man, I don't need you. 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 So you need me, or you can find me in the club. Bottle full of pop, mommy I got that X if you're into taking drugs, into having sex, I into making love. Come give me a hug, and I can't pull. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bubbly. Mommy I got that X if you're into taking drugs, into having sex, I into making love. Come give me a hug, and I can't pull. Oh, no, we bring the stars out, bring the women and the cast and the cards out. Let's have a total celebration, get a glass out. We can do this till we pass out. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, or you can have it your way. How do you want it? You gon' back that thing up, or should I push up on it? Temperature rising, okay, let's go to the next level. Dance floor, jam pack, how does it teach it'll break it down for you now, baby, it's simple. You be an info and I'll be an info. In the hotel or in the back of the rental, in the beach or in the park, it's wherever you into. Got the magic stick on the love doctor. Friends teaching you how sprung, I got you. Show me you can work it, baby. No problem, get on top, I get you bounce around like a low rider. I'm a seasoned vet when I come to this. After you work up a sweat, you can play with a stick. Trying to explain, baby, the best way I can. Melt in your mouth, girl, not in your hands. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. So you need me, man, I don't need you. 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 So you need me. Alright, this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down. And I'd like to take a minute and just sit right there, tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air. In West Philadelphia, born and raised, on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all, shooting some b-ball outside of the school. When a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. Got in one little fight, my mom's got scared and said, yeah, leave it bleeding now. I whistled for a cab and when it came near, the license plate said fresh and it had dice in the mirror. If anything I could say that this cab was rare, but I thought, yo, forget it, your home's to Bel Air. Pull up to a house about 7 or 8, now yeah, city carry you home, smell you later. Looked to my kingdom, I was finally there. Sit on my throne as the Prince of Bel Air. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you. So you need me, man, I don't need you. Alright, John's gonna rip his heart out now. Oh. Go over it, John. writings on the wall. Very superstitious, ladder's about to fall. Nah, nah. The 13-month-old baby broke the looking glass. Nah, nah. 7 years of bad luck, good things in the past. Cause with the lyrics I'll be aiming it right. I won't stop until my name's in lights. Stadium heights with Amy and Rice on red carpets. Now I'm on Arabian Nights. Plus I'm young and my brother's gonna give me advice. Long nights are short high and I gone hyper. Never be anything but a singer-songwriter. Yeah, the game is over but now I'm on a new level. Watch how I step on the track without a loop pedal. People think that I'm bound to blow up. Done around about 1,000 shows, but I haven't got a house plus I live on a couch. You can read the lyrics while I'm singing them out. Wow, from day one I've been prepared. I got the VO5, watch the Luke Ray and says, and now I'm back to the soul, forgiven a dose of what the future holds, cause it's another day. Plus I keep my last name forever, cause the genre pretty face gonna be picking into other people's tunes when I see it. Relating with the elephant in the room with a face into another rapper's use these new laces. I don't see these from a rucksack, able to hit and see these from a rucksack, able to make things wired to a jet sack, consider to get the bus back. Clean cut, clear water, I raise up for the mustache, I hit back when the pen hurts me. Still a choir boy in a thin church team, still the same as a year ago, but will people hate me though according to the Facebook and YouTube videos. Always doing shows if I'm not, I'm in a studio. Truly broke, never growing up, call me Rufio. Melody music maker, reading all the papers. They say I'm up and coming like I'm fucking in an elevator. Thank you so much, you're brilliant. Thank you.
Mashiv lads, Shinga Hintok, Shin, men in slacks.